When it comes to fat loss and to get ourselves in shape, proper nutrition and exercise forms the key. And when we get motivated and start exercising, the first exercise that we jump onto is jogging. Now, jogging is a good cardio exercise to begin with, but is it good enough to give you the desired results? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adarsh, and today I'm going to give you a running regime that is better than jogging, gives results faster, and takes only 20 minutes. But before we talk about the regime, let me explain you why jogging is not good enough an exercise to take you to your desired results. You see, when we start jogging, initially we are able to jog only for 10 to 15 minutes. Gradually, it increases to 30 to 45 minutes. Majority of the people stick to the 30 to 40 minutes of jogging, while some people extend it to an hour-long exercise. Initially, you do find some fat loss, which is obvious because you have started the exercise which is requiring effort and burning fat. But gradually, over time, you no longer see any new results because your body has adapted to the stress, and now you may even be jogging for 45 minutes, but the results have become static. And also, after a period of time, you get bored by doing the same exercise, and then you resort to either friends or phone and start chatting and wasting your time during the exercise. And on some days, you may have some time crunch or office work, and you may not even find 45 minutes to do your jogging. And slowly, you start skipping your days. So, what's the way out?
What is needed is that if you want to see the changes in your body, you need to frequently change the intensity of your training so that you do not hit the plateau and reach your goal. So what is this 20-minute running regime? It is what I call sprint interval training. The plan is very simple. The whole workout is of 20 minutes. The first 5 minutes is the warm-up, where you will be jogging for 5 minutes, and then without rest you will move to the next section. The next section is of 10 minutes. Here, in every minute, for the first 30 seconds you will sprint, and for the next 30 seconds you will jog. And repeat this every minute for 10 minutes straight. Finally, you finish off your exercise by 5 minutes of jogging. This ends the 20-minute workout, and there is no rest in between. This 20 minutes will be much more difficult and will give you more output than 45 minutes of jogging. Now, a lot of you may be thinking that it is very difficult and you may not even attempt it. And hence, for your simplicity, I am going to explain you how you can adapt this into your training and how a beginner should start, what an amateur should do, and what a pro in jogging can do to adapt this in his training. For beginners to exercise, I would suggest that first you should start jogging for 30 to 40 minutes for 1 to 2 weeks. This will help you to develop some stamina and adapt your legs for running. After that, you get into this workout, alternating it with your regular jogging. That is, 1 day of jogging and 1 day of sprint interval training. Now, in the sprint interval training, you can begin with any of the following options. That is, either you sprint for 20 seconds and jog for 40 seconds per minute, or you sprint for 30 seconds and then walk for 30 seconds. Gradually, as you keep on improving, try to upgrade yourself to reach the ultimate level of the exercise. For amateurs, you can start with a 30-second sprint followed by a 30-second of walk, or you can sprint for 30 seconds followed by a 30-second jog for as many minutes as you can, and for the remaining rounds, you sprint for 30 seconds and walk for 30 seconds. And gradually, as you improve, you upgrade yourself to a 30-second sprint followed by a 30-second jog for the 10 minutes straight. For pros, you should try the workout in the form that I have explained. In case you fail early, then for the rest of the rounds, you sprint for 30 seconds and then walk for 30 seconds and complete the exercise. Now, if some elite runner is watching this video and who can do this exercise and wants some more challenge, then try this by increasing the duration of the sprint and decreasing the duration of jog. That is, you either increase the sprint to 40 seconds and jog for 20 seconds, or sprint for 45 seconds and jog for 15 seconds. This way, you will find this exercise always challenging you and help you in burning fat as well as increasing your stamina. Try this out, friends, and you will definitely see good results, as this exercise will always be challenging you, and that will be a motivation in itself to do the exercise daily. Plus, it can be done only in 20 minutes. I'll be giving you many different 20-minute workouts in my future videos, so that you don't only get stuck with running and find more challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment section. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.